everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a 2-year update on the Neverfull MM. This is the monogram print with the red interior. Yeah, so we're going to do a 2-year update on this bag. More so this will kind of be a patina type of update, because I did do a 1-year update last year, but the only thing that has like changed the most drastically over a whole nother year is the patina on the bag. Everything else on the bag is literally the exact same as it was last year. The canvas is still holding up really good. The corners are still really nice and intact. There's no rubbing off of the canvas yet. It's no cracking yet. Like the corners are still like brand new. It's still holding up really well. Over a year I did not incur any new stains or anything, so the same stains that my vachetta had from last year are the same stains that, you know, that are here now. So I have this stain here on the vachetta and a couple water drops. I don't feel like my wrinkling has increased in my straps either. I just have like a tad bit of wrinkling, like right at the fold, right along through here, but nothing that's major. Straps are still nice and intact. I'm trying to get that to focus, but the straps are still nice and intact. Stitching is still good. None of my threading is coming off. My cut where the vachetta gets cut is starting to lift now. And it wasn't last year, but it's starting to lift just a little bit right here. But that's nothing, you know, that's nothing major. But if you see that right there, it's starting to cut. Starting to lift. It's a little wear to the vachetta, just a tad bit. You can see a little bit of wrinkling along here, but nothing that's major, you know. The interior is still really good. The interior just has so much lint, like it gets so linty at the bottom of this bag for whatever reason. I know that they make like bases that you can lay in the bottom of these bags, but I don't care for those too much. With the Neverfull, I don't really like that structure look. I like for it to just be like slouchy and kind of like just slouchy and relaxed. You know, I don't really like that structured look. I'll leave that to the Speedy. So I do know that they make those to go in the bottom, but I don't care for those too much. So yeah, that's part of the reason why the bottom of mine is really like linted up. My bag is seeming to get more and more relaxed, like the older that it's getting. Oh, and I'm loving it. Like it's getting soft and just like sunken in. Like it's like just kind of like, oh, it's just starting to get so soft and just relaxed, and I'm loving it. And this is happening over the course of the years. It wasn't this relaxed when it was new, but it's starting to just get really just soft and, you know, relaxed now. And I'm loving that. Yeah, y'all, I think that's pretty much it. This is just like a quick update. This bag doesn't really have much detail to it. It's just a tote, you know, so it's not much to really go over. Everything is just still holding up really good. My side straps are holding up good. I don't know why this won't focus. Probably because I got so much in the background, but I wanted to show you the tan line. I do have a tan line. Okay, there we go. I have a tan line on both of my straps. So I have like this really pretty honey patina to my vachetta now. And you can see how light at one point it kind of was right here. Yeah. And that's because I keep these down like that, so yeah. But yeah, this is aging really, really nice in the 2 years. Now, of course, your bag, every bag's patina process, I personally feel, will be different because it depends on how much use your bag is getting, how much oxygen from outside, like literally how often do you wear this bag outside, because the sun plays a huge part in the patina process of your bag. So for me, especially last year and the first year that I got it, this was like a summer bag, you know, so that's summer heat, that summer sun just marinating my bag, you know. So somebody else's 2-year update, their vachetta could be lighter than mine or drastically darker than mine. It all just depends on the wear that you get with your bag. Yeah, I like this bag. I would say if you were on the fence between getting this, let me see. This is my Speedy. So I would say, like, if you were on the fence between going with the Speedy or the Neverfull as a first purchase, I personally would recommend you go with the Speedy, only because the Speedy bag goes with a lot more different styles of outfits than a Neverfull. You can dress the Speedy up or down. If you're dressed too up, a tote bag is not gonna go with that type of look. But with the Speedy bag, whether you're dressed up or dressed down, this bag is gonna go with every outfit, regardless of how dressy or casual, laid back, chill, church, wedding, you know. This bag is just an all-around type of a bag. This bag, I wouldn't wear this bag to a wedding, you know, because you're dressed in a certain type of way when you're going to a wedding or even a reception. If you go to events and whatnot, you know, this bag isn't that type of bag that I would dress up with, you know. But the Speedy bag definitely can get dressed up or down. I still recommend both. I feel like both bags are nice to have in your collection. This bag is very, very roomy. It's called a Neverfull because they claim it's never full. Like, you can always just add more and more stuff to it, and I find that to be true. The straps probably would get a little heavy on you, but because my bag is starting to age now, I mean, the straps was never just stiff like how the bean print in this bag is. The vachetta is always just soft, so it doesn't dig into your skin. But the more weight you add to any bag, it tends to get a little more uncomfortable to carry. But I would still recommend both bags if you can do both bags. But if you're looking for which bag should I do first, I would recommend the Speedy over the Neverfull, only because you would get more wear out of it. Now, the Speedy is a top handle bag, so you will just always be carrying it unless you go with the bandolier style. This can always go over your shoulder, so, you know, there's no, you know, you can't go wrong with that. Your hands are always free. So, yeah, I like this bag. I'm loving the aging process of this bag. Man, these have, yeah, drastically, but I got my Speedy first, so this has more patina than the Neverfull does. But yeah, I'm loving her still. She's a classic. The Neverfulls never go out of style. So, or the Speedies, they're just classic Louis Vuitton pieces. So you can never go wrong with picking either of the two. But if you can do both, get both. If you can't and you're juggling between both, start with the Speedy first and then get the tote. But yeah, so I just wanted to hop on here real quick and do a quick 2-year update, a quick little comparison, and add my little 2 cents on the Speedy versus the Neverfull. Yeah, that was it, y'all. I know this is really quick, but yeah, just wanted to do something quick. Hope this helped somebody, and I'll catch you guys on my next one. Bye.